Welcome back to another episode of Hacks Prashant. Today I am going to show you how to make a table fan. So let's start. For this experiment, you need a DC motor, on and off switch, a rechargeable battery, a stand for your table fan. You need like a CD, a bottle cap and a sketch pen. And we have a fan leaf made out of a bottle and also the hot glue gun. So now I need to connect the DC motor to the fan leaf. So now I'm going to connect the switch to the rechargeable battery. So now I'm going to stick the rechargeable battery to the stand. So now I'm going to stick the switch to the stand. So now I'm going to stick this fan connected to the DC motor with a hot glue gun. So my fan is almost ready. Now I'm going to connect the white and the black wires. So we have connected all the cables. Now let's test it. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Be sure to tell your friends. Bye.